Hey guys, my name's Tony and I'd like to welcome you to my new YouTube channel, 99 Sticks. This channel is going to be dedicated to my new Porsche 996 911. It's a 2000 911 Cabriolet, and I'm going to be doing some videos about the car, my journey with the car. I'll take the car out for rides, go to different car meets, talk to other Porsche enthusiasts and car enthusiasts in general, and maybe go over some of their cars. And along the way, I'm going to throw in a quick little cigar review. I like smoking cigars and driving my car, so I'm a car guy and a cigar guy, so I'm going to be making videos where I'll go to all these different places, and then along the way I'll smoke a stick and I'll review that stick very briefly, and hopefully you enjoy the content. So please throw a comment, smash the like button, let me know what you think. Alright guys, here we go. I got a check engine light on. I don't know if you can hear me, but I got a check engine light on, and that's got me worried. But we'll see. I'll take it to the mechanic and see what he says. I did say it was going to be a journey, and it always is with the 996. Well, I don't know if you heard me before, but the check engine light is on, and I just got this car. I hope it's nothing crazy. I just came on. I've had it for a few months, and it's been great. So we'll see what happens. I am concerned about the IMS bearing. I don't think it was done on this car, but whatever. I'm a risk taker, I guess. Let's see. Alright guys, so shortly I'm going to be pulling up to Sunday Motors Cafe. It's a local spot here in Madison, New Jersey, where a lot of Porsche drivers gather and have Sunday morning coffee and show off their cars. So there's usually a good crowd. I don't know, being a holiday weekend, what we're going to get, but hopefully there's some nice Porsches. There's usually Porsches, Ferraris, Corvettes, you name it. There's a lot of cars there, so we'll see. We'll see what we get. We're almost there. Maybe there's not too many people here today, holiday weekend. Hey guys, so I'm pretty much done here at Sunday Motor Cafe. We had a good turnout. As you can see from the video and the pictures I took, there was quite a good amount of Porsches here. Not as much as usual, but still a good amount for a holiday weekend. The other good news is my check engine light is gone as I prepare to get out of here. My check engine was on the way here, and now it is gone, so I guess that means I'm safe. My IMS bearing did not blow up. Anyway, I'm going to be taking off now and finding a nice stick to smoke and review for you, and stick around. Here we go. be headed to Casa de Monte Cristo. It's a local cigar lounge over here, and I'll pick something up and we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, Tony again. So I just arrived at Casa Monte Cristo here in Whippany, New Jersey, and I'm gonna go in, grab a stick, and have a quick smoke. That's it. That'll be it for this episode. All right, see you in a little bit. So guys, as you can see, this looks like a really nice place to enjoy a stick. I'm going to go in here and see what I can grab out of their humidor, and we'll take it from there. Alright, so my go-to cigar on a Sunday morning is the Cuba Cuba. It's one of my favorites by Drew Estates from their acid line. I'm going to see if I grab one of those, and I'll give it a smoke. Here we go, we're in luck. I've got a Cuba Cuba, and I'm ready to go. Alright guys, so like I said before, I'm going to be smoking a Cuba Cuba by Drew Estates. It's flavored, it's one of my favorite cigars for a Sunday morning, you know, right after some coffee. It's excellent, it tastes good, it's smooth. It's not that long of a smoke either. I just love these, they're my go-to. I catch a lot of heat from the purists about flavored cigars, but I don't really care because it's what I like. It tastes delicious, and they're very popular. Every time I go get them somewhere, they're sold out, so there's gotta be something to it, right? Us 996 guys, we're not much of a purist anyway, right? We don't drive real 911s after all, so screw the purists. Here we go. Like I said, very smooth cigar, excellent taste, excellent flavor. Perfect for pairing with a cup of coffee in the morning, or sometimes I'll do one after dinner with some Grand Marnier or some cognac. It goes very good with that as well. But again, phenomenal cigar, Cuba Cuba, can't go wrong. It's a very nice lounge. Very nice. I don't think there's a better way to spend a Sunday morning than take your sports car for a ride and have a nice stick.